Hi everyone, it's Tag Dad from Montreal, Canada. This is why I have a French accent. I'm Québécois or Québécois. Today we will do another video on Mug Life, a shorter one. The app is available on iOS and Android. However, if you want to do some face tracking, you will need an iPhone with this depth sensor. It will not work on Android. So the little twist today in this video, I want to show you how to take the portrait of a person, transform it into a comic picture, and after that do the animation, and it will give you some great result. So we need 2 apps and 3 steps to do this comic animation. So step 1. So the goal here is to find a picture, a portrait picture without anything in the background. It needs to be a flat background, a uniform background. For example, here I think I have found the perfect picture to do this video. It's Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, with the black background, so the animation will be better. It will look more real. So that's very important. So now to step 2. The first app that we will use today is Clip to Comic. It is available on iOS. The reviews are great. The app is free. There is in-app purchases, but a lot of functions are available for free, and you will end up with a watermark on the picture, but it's at the bottom right and you can just crop your image at the end and it's not a problem at all. So I really like that app. So as you can see right now, I have loaded Dwayne Johnson or The Rock in the app, and at the bottom of the app you will have multiple styles that you can choose from. So here we have the portrait in black and white, cartoon style, cartoon pale, realistic, realistic sepia, abstract, poster blue, poster green, poster red, poster yellow, some sketches, landscape, and paper cut. So for our animation today, I want to do a cartoon style, so I will choose cartoon. I can go in edit. Here, this is where you have some functions that are blocked in the free version, like retouch, adjust, colors, but you can crop, you can change the brightness, the saturation, the contrast. So here I'm happy with my result. I have The Rock in cartoon, so I do save. So like I said, we have now a watermark at the bottom right of the picture. Now what I need to do is just to crop it, keep what you need, like this, it should be okay. And now I will load this picture in Mug Life. As you can see right now, we have our cartoon of Dwayne Johnson and there is no watermark. We are okay to go. I won't go into the details of Mug Life. You can check the links in my description below. You will have like reviews of this app. Here what you can do is choose the pre-made template, and this is included in the free version of Mug Life. So it's pre-made animation, pre-made memes. You can also use other people's work on the social media network of Mug Life. Since I have the paid version of Mug Life, I can do a lot of cool advanced tricks. And now what I want to do is some face tracking. So I will click on that button. And now I have Dwayne Johnson that will track my face. Now we see a little problem is the fact that the tongue is not cartoonish, but it gives it a cool look. So, and you can talk and it will try to do the lip sync. Sorry about my French accent. I'm not the best in English. But anyhow, this is how you can do great memes using 2 apps. Some simple step, and I think the result is pretty great. So you can record it. So that's it. I hope you've liked this little video. Please think about subscribing, comment below, like. See you next time. Au revoir. On se voit la prochaine fois. Ciao!